Hello children, now we all have learnt how to read different words with phonic sound or the vowel A, which says A. It's time to use these words to form different sentences. Let us all do the reading practice. Let us read the first line. The says it's a sight word the. M and man, the man is. FAT says at fat, the man is fat. Can you see the picture along with it? The man is sitting there and is fat? Yes. And what is there in his hand? You all can see a fan. Now let's phrase the sentence. He, S-A-T, sat. He sat on the mat. He sat on the mat. He sat on the mat. So is he sitting on the mat? Yes. Let's read the third line. The man, M-A-N, man. H-A-D, you all know this word, had a pan. The man had a pan. One more time, children. The man had a pan. Now, let's read the next line. He and ran to the tap. T says T. Remember the sounds of the consonants and the vowels. Tap. He ran to the tap. WITH is with the pan. He ran to the tap with the pan. वो भागकर गया नलके के पास with the pan. Now let's look at the next picture. In the next picture we can see a cat and a rat with a mat. Let's frame few sentences with them. Now let's read. The says the at cat. The cat, M-E-T, met a rat. The cat met a rat. Who met a rat? A cat. The R-A-T says at rat. Had. And had. The rat had a mat. One more time. The rat had a mat. T-H-E-Y says they. Why they? Because there are two people. They sat on a mat. At a mat. They sat on a mat. They sat on a mat. Let's look at the last line. They and had a C-H-A-T. Here CH is a blend. CH says chat. They had a chat. Chat means baatein karna. As you all chat in the class, when you all talk, that means you all chat. See the word chat. So now children, you have learnt a new word. Chat. C-H-A-T. Chat. Wonderful children. See how interestingly with the magic A, we have learned various new words and new sentences also. Okay, children, it's time for me to say bye-bye. But you all keep revising and reading these sentences along with different words.